so wild. Wow. This is a wild looking squall line. Giant stop. Look at the wind damage here. I don't know, is that a roof that came over? What is going on? You can just see like stuff. We have grass on the road. There's something over here. It's like some sheet metal. Look at all these twigs just lining the road. I mean, the winds that must have came through here were vicious. And there we go. We got a second tractor trailer down. Look at this. Part of the, whoa. Things just blown in the roadway here. Wow, this is some kind of tarp. I'm trying to look over there to see if there's any damage or stuff blown around over here. Oh, we got another semi. Jesus, 3 semis blown over. 4 semis blown over. Holy cow. Look at that, one on to the left. And then one to the right in front of us. My, look at where it got blown too.